Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Enjoy. The song is Enjoy. The artist is Janet Jackson and the choreography is Belinda Haywood. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, watch till the end and I'll post the video. And here we go. Enjoy.
Yesterday, but I was okay. Can't complain. I've been living every day like it's not past. How it feels to be stuck in the past. People act like machines 'cause they're scared to live their dreams more than me. Doing now, never too late to try. Lose your elevation, let your inspiration set free. And just enjoy it, enjoy what you need, enjoy appreciate, enjoy. Just keep enjoying it, do your heart's content, and enjoy what's in this world. Enjoy, so let's enjoy. Enjoy the day of praise, enjoy the song of saints, enjoy. Just keep enjoying it till your heart's content, and enjoy the gift of life. Enjoy. And you say, just keep enjoying it, do your heart's content, and enjoy what's in this world. Enjoy, so just enjoy. Enjoy the day of praise, enjoy the song of saints, enjoy. Just keep enjoying it till your heart's content. It's enjoy the gift of life. Enjoy.
And there you go. Enjoy. My name is Linda Sims. I am the HAYWOOD teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.